Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing the external device monitoring function that's built into the SF4C safety light curtain. What this will do for you is it will monitor your safety circuit to let you know if your relays have any issues such as a welded contact. Now to demonstrate, I could block the light curtain, and in the normal case, when I remove the obstruction, the light curtain turns back on. Now, if I simulate a weld, as soon as I block the light curtain, it's going to give me a fault. Now, you'll notice that my machine can't turn back on because the fault is still active. Now, what I need to do is I need to look on my display on the light curtain and get the error code off of it. So you'll see that it's an error code 7. Now, looking in my manual, I'll notice that the error code 7 refers to an external device fault. So this gives me a quick idea of what the problem is and how to solve it. So in this case, I would go to my relay box, replace one or both of my relays as needed, and then I can get my machine back up and running. So it's a very quick way of troubleshooting and minimizing my downtime. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you have any more questions, go to our website at pewa.panasonic.com.